Hey guys, and ladies too. I got something here I want to show you. Now look, I've been around quite a few years. I've fixed a lot of stuff around the house. Faucets, hoses, you name it. And I'll tell you, back in the day, you just grabbed whatever grease was in the junk drawer and hoped for the best. Well, those days are over, my friend. This right here is Evodine silicone grease. Call it plumber's grease. 8 fluid ounces of pure, I know what I'm doing. And I'll tell you why I love this thing. And I'd like to thank Evodine for sending it to me so I can do this video. First of all, it's made right here in the USA. Tested, developed, manufactured, not some mystery goops shipped in from who knows where. And that right there already had me sold. I'm old enough to remember when everything was made here. And I like seeing it come back. Now listen, you got a leaky faucet, O-rings going bad, cartridge on your shower valve acting up, grab this stuff. It's what plumbers use. That's literally why they call it plumber's grease. Threads, O-rings, gaskets, rubber hoses, weather stripping around your doors and around your windows. This takes care of all of it. Now here's the part that made me say, well now, that's smart. You see this? It's got a built-in brush right on the lid. So you're not trying to get this stuff on with your finger like you used to in the old days, like some kind of animal. You just open it up, brush it on, you're done. Clean and easy. Even my arthritic hands appreciate it. But here's where it really gets good. This isn't just for plumbing. Oh no. I took us out to the garage the other day. Spark plugs? Yep. Brake caliper pins on the car? Absolutely. Car windows sticking? Hit them with this stuff. Works on metal, rubber, and plastic. I even use it on some electrical connections because this stuff acts as a dielectric grease, which is a fancy way of saying it keeps moisture and corrosion away from your electrical contacts. Stops voltage leaks. Keeps things running right. I mean, shoot, at my age, I don't have time to buy, 4 different products for 4 different problems. This is one jar, does it all. Now let me tell you what it does best. And this is the thing that gets me. It seals out contaminants, dirt and salt, and which, if you're near the coast, or you use salt on your driveway in the winter, you know exactly what salt does to metal. This stuff says, nope, not today. Prevents oxidation, stops rust before it starts. I even put it on my irons when they're setting through the wintertime. It keeps them from rusting up if it gets moisture out in the garage. Long lasting too. You put it on once and just sit there doing its job without a complaint. So look, whether you're a homeowner, trying to keep things running, you do a little DIY on the weekends, you got a boat, a car, a camper, golf cart, whatever it is. Evodine silicone grease, 8 ounces, built-in brush, made in America, works on just about everything. And if for some reason it's not right for you, they stand behind it. And you can't ask for more than that. 73 years old, I'm still learning about good products. This one's a keeper, guys. I'll put the link in the description. Click the link, pick yourself up a jar. And you can thank me later. And if you think I've helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. So that's it, Evodine's plumber grease. I hope this helps. I hope to see you again.